Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about a very exciting project called as Holy Chickens. So we will discuss on how you will invest your money in it and what sort of rewards which you will be expecting from this project. In the end of tutorial, we will also teach you how you can connect your MetaMask wallet to buy their project. Before we start the video, I would request you to please like and subscribe to my channel. So let's get the video started. So the project which we will be talking about today is called as Holy Chickens. So it seems to be quite interesting one because they have also released their contract address which you can directly import in your wallet, and you can see what sort of profit which you are earning on daily basis. Now, if we scroll down a bit, so they are saying like complete the particular challenges which you can get airdrop. So you can receive 100 chicks every 7 days. Available for airdrop is 10,000. So the first challenge is have at least 100 BUSDT in the stake. And once you are done, you can just check mark it if you have done it. Challenge 2, 7 days since the last. So you will have to keep your BUSD staked for 7 days and then you can pass your challenge number 2. Challenge number 3 is have more than 5 referrals from level 1. So you should be getting one referral link which should be appearing here once you will connect your wallet, and I'll show you a step-by-step tutorial how we can do that part. So now let's go back on the main page. So Holy Chickens, use BUSD to earn chicks and stake and sell for BUSD. So you will be getting multiple options here. So there are three options which are basically shown on their website. So the first one says mint chicks. Mint chicks by staking your BUSD. You can stake as many as time you want. You cannot unstake your BUSD. So this means the seed amount which you will be adding in this project, that will be used as part of staking, and then in the return you will be earning minted. Now, so in order to see the exact prices and total supply, so let's connect our wallet. So I'm going to connect my wallet. It should give you a pop-up here and you just need to click on next. It will automatically connect with the contract address. So just click on next and just approve this part. So once your connection has been completed, you should see a contract address which will appear here. So if we see a bit on the project, so the current price of this chicks coin is 0.007350 BUSD. Total invested users are 51. Total supply in terms of tokenomics is 120000, which is 120k. Circulating supply in terms of BUSD, which means what amount has been invested already, is 153962, and which keeps on growing on regular basis. So let's scroll down a bit so that I can show you the exact amount which you will be earning from this particular project. So let's talk about mint chicks part first. So mint chicks, by staking your BUSD, you can stake as many as times you want. You cannot unstake this BUSD. So the first thing is, once you are going to stake your BSD, which will be your seed amount, so you cannot take that money out on that particular amount which you will be investing. So you will be getting approximately 1460 profit as a year. So your every day you will be getting approximately some sort. So every day your profit will be coming in chicks minted. So that will be the profit which you will be claiming every day. So let's say if you are getting around maybe 100 chicks per day, so you just need to multiply it with this particular BUSD price, and that will be your return profit as a coin. Either you can stake this profit one more time and then you should be making around 2555% profit. So the next option is the money which you will be making from here, which will be chicks mint. So you can claim them and you can restake them. So if you restake that particular chicks earned, so you should be making around 2555% profit. Once you stake your chicks here, you won't be able to take your money out before 7 days. So the minimum requirement for you to stake money will be 7 days. And the last option is the chicks which will be minted here as part of the profit which you will be earning on daily basis. You can directly sell it, and once you will sell your chicks, you will get your BUSD as a return. So sell earn tokens, only 40,000 tokens can be sold per day and earn BUSD. So in one day you cannot sell more than 40,000 tokens. So in one day you cannot sell more than 40,000 tokens of chicks. Okay, so if we scroll down a bit more, so they have a Holy Chickens token address which we will be scanning our Binance Smart Chain just to make sure everything is fine. Launch date, YouTubers and influencers will be allocated 100 chicks each to record marketing content. Big YouTubers and influencers will give away a total of 5,000 chicks prior to launch for receivers to stake as early access. Chicks can be used from Monday 4 April and this onwards. So this project has already been launched. Now let's see what's their process and how things are working. The value of chicks will rise as more users invest. So it's again some sort of a new coin. So once the investors are increasing, so you will see a big hype or big increase in the price, and this particular coin chicks will automatically pump. So enter BUSD into Holy Chickens and earn daily staking rewards in chicken tokens, which is 4% per day. So every day you will be getting 4% of the profit. You can claim your Holy Chicken rewards at any time. You cannot unstake your BSD. So the daily reward which you will be getting in form of chicks, you can claim it every day and any time of the day. The seed amount which you will be investing as part of BUSD, that amount cannot be taken out. You will earn chicks as a percentage of BUSD invested irrespective of the chicken price. They are making one thing very clear, irrespective of the coin price itself, you should be getting a percentage of BUSD which you have invested. That is already mentioned here and which is 4% per day. Now going forward, you have two options with your chicks. You can sell them for BUSD, which I've explained in option number 3, or you can stake them to earn more chicks, which is 7% per day. So if we go up a bit, so that's option number 2, which you can invest and make more profit, and that's the option where you can sell your chicks and get BUSD as a price. So in terms of the terminologies, total supply, the maximum amount of chicks that can exist. Circulating supply, the amount of chicks that are currently in wallets. Available supply, chicks price, which is already mentioned on the top. And sell chicks, that's the place where you will be selling your chicks. Now once you will collect your wallet, so you should be getting a referral link which I'll be posting in my description. So once you guys are joining this project, so please use this particular link so I can earn some share of it. So let's go back, and first of all we will see their Twitter account. So if you click on Twitter account, so you should be coming here. So currently 52 followers, which is quite good since the project is increasing, and that's their pinned tweet. Holy Chickens is about to launch, Holy Chickens is a fork, and they are doing good. So once you will reach the Twitter page, so that's their official website, and this is a new project, so only 38 followers. Since it is a new project, so currently there are 52 followers, but the project is expected to increase. I like about their marketing strategy, so how they are approaching people to promote their project, which is quite good, and a lot of people are retweeting them who are already into major projects. Then if I check their contract address on Binance Smart Chain, so I can see, so after every hour or after every 20 minutes, so you will see some people are claiming the token, some of them are staking the token. But if I look into the longer run, or if I increase the cells of this particular chart, so you can see most of the people are staking instead of claiming or withdrawal, which is a good sign. So the contract is verified, it's under tick, the contract source is verified, that's their source code and everything is there. And if I go back to, so since they are using BUSD, which is Binance Peg USD, so they are going to use BEP20. So you can check BE20 token transactions. You should be able to see everything here. The next part is we will be reviewing their white paper a bit, and then we will go for the step-by-step tutorial on how we can purchase their project. Why is the project anonymous? Personality hinders the project, and we believe Holy Chicken speaks for itself. With a team that works anonymously, we can focus on providing our users with the best possible experience. So that I can agree, because most of the teams in crypto, they are hiding themselves just for the security purpose. But once you try to contact them on Telegram or any other platform, so I can guarantee you, you will be getting a good support from them. And I already talked to one of their team member, and he was very helpful in explaining the project, and he answered all of my queries. So if we look into the total supply, it is at 120000, which is around 12 million. The total amount of Holy Chickens token that are in user wallets or staked by the user. So these are the terminologies which you will be seeing on their website, and you can refer them. Now let's look into their utility. So the Bright Future Layer 2. The Hen House is an ecosystem of forks on the Binance Smart Blockchain to build secure and trustable decentralized applications for everyone. So that's their back-end goal, which I already talk about. Whenever you are investing in a project, read their documentation and see what is their utility. We are deeply grateful that you are taking an interest in our project. Please find the information regarding our project on this page. The Hen House is the hub for all folks that will combine to act as a source in our NFT game announced and launched. So seems to be quite interesting project like Polka City if they launch their game or their NFT game in the future. So you can see once this token is launched on big exchanges, let's say like MEXC, Qcoin or Binance. So you can see it pumping to maybe $1 or $2 in future if that happens. What's the story behind the hen house? So farmer Joe has created a farm where nature takes center stage. The scared grim and brinks of really oblige him to relocate the words of finance into his new form. Here he wants to restore and recreate the value of resources and distribution of wealth through an outlandish stock of chicks, logs from the woods, stones, and other resources to obtain freedom through finance and be able to build a city from the ground bottom. So the concept behind this particular project is written here. So basically it's a farmer who wants to invest, get some money out and turn that farm into some sort of city, which is quite interesting. So now let's go back to their main page and I'll show you how you can buy this particular project. So if we go onto their main page, so currently my wallet is already connected. These were the terminologies which I was referring earlier. So chicks price 0.007350 BUSD. Total invested users are 51. I'm lucky enough to be in the first 100, which is quite good. That's the available supply in terms of that 10 million which I was referring, circulating supply and total supply. So let's go down. So let's go and buy their chicks. So currently I've already connected my wallet, which you can see here, and I have balance of 30 BUSD. So I'm going to spend all of it. So I'll click on max and I'll click on approve. So once my wallet is connected, so currently I have 30 BUSD, which I'm going to invest fully. So I'll click on max and approve BUSD spent. So I'm going to click here 30. Okay, so currently the wallet balance is 30. So I'll click on max and I'm going to spend around 25. I'll just keep $5 if there is any transaction going to happen. So once I'll click on approve, so it will take me to a new page. So it will say give permission to access your BUSD. So once your wallet is connected, just make sure you have a bit of amount in BNB that will be used as a gas fee because this is a Binance Smart Chain. So the next thing is once I'll click on max, so it should take out my full BUSD balance. So the amount which I'm going to spend is approve BUSD spend. So I'm going to spend 25. The moment I'll click on approve, so it will tell me that confirm the transaction. So it is going to charge me around 0.0000331 BNB, which is quite small. So I'll just click on confirm. So once that transaction has been successfully executed, I should be able to see some checks minted. So give it a couple of seconds and we should be able to get that transaction approved. Okay, so the transaction has been confirmed. Okay, so once that transaction has been completed, we can cross verify it. So you just need to click on your wallet and just go back to your activity. Just click on this approved transaction and just click on view on block explorer. And that's the successful transaction, and after a couple of seconds you should be able to see your chickens tokens in your wallet. So now if you are not able to find your chicken coins in your wallet, so the simple thing which you need to do is just click on add. So the moment you will click on add, it should automatically add the chickens. So once you will click on add here, it should automatically add that chicken token in your wallet. So just click on add token. Next time once you will click your wallet here, so you should be able to see HCHK, which will be your tokens. Then you can swap, or the best option is just sell the chicks from here, and that's it. So guys, that's it from my today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.